Imagine realizing you're dreaming while the dream is still happening. The moment you become aware, the impossible suddenly becomes possible. You can explore places that don't exist, fly above cities, walk through walls, or create entire worlds with nothing more than your imagination. The best part? You don't need years of experience to begin learning this skill. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple nighttime exercise that beginners can practice before falling asleep. It only takes a few minutes, doesn't require you to stay awake for hours, and with consistent practice, it can dramatically increase your chances of having your first lucid dream. Let's get started. Before trying the technique itself, spend a few minutes preparing your environment. Turn off bright lights, silence unnecessary notifications, and make your bedroom as peaceful as possible. The goal is to help your mind settle so you can fall asleep naturally without distractions. Now close your eyes and take several slow, comfortable breaths. Don't try to force your mind to become completely empty. Instead, simply let today's worries fade into the background. Tomorrow's responsibilities can wait. Right now, your only job is to relax. If you already keep a dream journal, that's fantastic. Reading one of your recent dreams before bed can make this exercise even more effective because your brain becomes more familiar with recognizing dream experiences. If you don't have one yet, don't worry, you can still practice this method successfully. Once you're fully relaxed, it's time for the first step. Picture a place as vividly as you can. This could be a dream you remember, a favorite vacation spot, a peaceful forest, a beach at sunset, or even a location you've imagined yourself. Choose somewhere that feels easy to visualize. Don't just look at the scene. Step inside it. Notice the colors around you. Listen to the sounds. Feel the ground beneath your feet. Touch nearby objects. Smell the air. The more senses you involve, the more convincing the experience becomes. Take your time exploring this imaginary world. Now comes the second step. While walking through this place, suddenly imagine realizing that you're dreaming. Tell yourself, this is a dream. Pause for a moment and look around as though you've just become fully aware. Ask yourself, if this were really a dream, what would I do? Maybe you'd float into the sky. Maybe you'd summon a friend. Maybe you'd travel to another planet. Maybe you'd build a castle with a single thought. Whatever excites you most, imagine doing it with confidence. Don't worry about whether it's realistic. Dreams don't follow the rules of the real world. The goal isn't perfect visualization. The goal is teaching your brain what becoming lucid feels like before it actually happens. Now for the final step. Imagine yourself falling asleep and entering another dream later tonight. Picture yourself noticing something unusual. Maybe the sky is green. Maybe gravity feels different. Maybe you're somewhere impossible. At that exact moment, imagine recognizing the clue and thinking, I'm dreaming. See yourself becoming calm, staying aware, and taking control of the dream instead of waking up. Continue replaying this sequence gently as you drift towards sleep. Let thoughts about lucid dreaming become the final thing on your mind before you fall asleep naturally. Now let's go over a few important tips that can make this practice much more effective. First, repetition is incredibly powerful. As you're falling asleep, quietly repeat a short sentence in your mind. Choose something simple and positive like, I will recognize my dreams. I become aware while dreaming. I know when I'm dreaming. Keep the phrase short and avoid negative wording. Your brain responds much better to clear, direct suggestions than complicated sentences. Second, if you really want to improve your chances, try practicing this after waking up briefly during the night. Many people naturally wake up after 4 to 6 hours of sleep. Instead of immediately falling back asleep, spend a few minutes repeating the visualization exercise before drifting off again. At this point in the night, dreams often begin much faster, making it easier for your intention to carry directly into the next dream. Finally, remember that lucid dreaming is a skill. Some people experience success on their first attempt. Others need several nights or even a few weeks. That doesn't mean you're doing anything wrong. Your brain is simply learning a completely new habit, recognizing that it's dreaming without waking up. Every practice session strengthens that ability, even if you don't notice immediate results. So don't judge your progress after a single night. Stay consistent. Keep practicing. Keep practicing. Write down every dream you remember in the morning, even if it's only one sentence. Over time, you'll notice recurring patterns, strange events, and dream signs that make becoming lucid much easier. The more familiar you become with your dreams, the greater your chances of recognizing them while they're happening. Lucid dreaming opens the door to creativity, exploration, and unforgettable experiences that exist only inside your own mind. Practice this technique tonight, be patient with yourself, and let curiosity guide the process. Your first lucid dream might be closer than you think. Sweet dreams.